काय म्हणतो हा चक्कर मारायला संध्याकाळचं. Hi, good evening. Welcome back. I'm out here for an evening walk in the farm. There were peacocks. They're hiding behind these rocks. I just missed recording them. I hate recording videos on selfie camera, but unfortunately, there's no one around, so I have to do it like this only. This is one of the well we have at the farms. This is the Yalaki banana plot. It was planted in the month of the May this year. So here in this plot, Bengal gram and wheat were sown last month. That is the wheat. This is Bengal gram, also called as chana, harbara. It's grown nicely. And here on the neighbor's farm, they have transplanted onions. So these are the onion saplings. You have to sow the seeds, black color small seeds, to get these saplings. Then you have to lodge these fields with the water, same like rice fields, and transplant the onion saplings. I don't know if it is called as sapling or what, but yeah. My mother and my atya, they're working here in the farm. We'll ask them what they are doing. Let's have a small chat with them. मग काय चाललंय? हा मेथी जुडी किती रुपयाला आहे?
10 रुपयाला ही
आता
बाई
झाली
फेकल्या
10 ला.
सगळ्या
आणि
गावात.
आणि किती वेळ झाला तुम्ही काढताय मेथी?
अरे मग काय
मेथी नाही हे गवत किती मरणामातीचं हे बघ हे बघ हे
पण
अशा
किती वेळ झालाय मेथी काढताय?
त्या बाईने
ते काय?
लावले का आम्हाला
अरे पण तास किती झाले? 2 तास 3 तास?
2 तास झाला
आणि किती जुड्या
आता
मेथी?
जुड्या उपटून टाकायची म्हणून काढायची तिला
अरे मरून देते मी ती पण कसं खुरपून होतं ना चांगलं
काही करीत
मालाचं.
त्याला गेल्या वर्षी मी टाकून यंदा पण सांगितलं होतं सगळ्या गावात नका टाकून ते ऐकतील तर कोणाचं खरं.
This is the wheat sown in last month only. It's been more than 30 days now. See how it is. Again onion. Those ladies are removing weeds from the sugar cane, I guess. Yeah. हे ती मोहरी आहे का? ती मोहरी आहे का? ती and that there is mustard. So there's another neighbor. They have done intercropping here with the chana. They have grown a mustard. This out here is my G9 banana plot. I planted these G9 banana saplings in the last week of the September. So these are planted on 2 acres. This is the big experiment that I am doing. I'm just hoping it doesn't fail. I will be very happy if I recover my input cost and little bit of profit out of this plot, because lot of mistakes have been made while planting this. Yeah, but anyways, hoping for the best. I just recently irrigated this. See, some of the plants have grown very nicely and some are still very small. This is because we have planted it in sunken beds instead of raised beds, and we are doing the flood irrigation instead of drip irrigation. So these are the learnings. Again, this out here is also my uncle's farm. They have grown something here, rajma or something, but you can't see that. See this wildly grown Parthenium grass. This is the worst. Something is here. So though farming is my passion and I like working in the farm, I love what I am doing. Still, once in every 15 days, I get a thought why I am doing it. Because of hardships of this profession, Most of the things are not even under your control. The erratic weather, the power cuts, or the crop failures. Something happened here. Someone have hunted down some rabbit or something. They have cooked it, ate it, and vanished. So these kind of things keep happening. We have another 5 acre land here, and this is the water canal going through our land. So thrice every year they release the water from the dam, and this is from Dimba Dam. This is called as Dimba Uzwa Kalwa. So this water is for agriculture purpose only. All these villages have small ponds and lakes. They will store this water in the ponds and lakes, and which will be again used for the irrigation. So these industries and factories, they can't use this water. This is purely for agriculture purpose. Although this canal is going through our farm, but we haven't uh, we haven't received any compensation from the irrigation department. So that small hill out there, that is the part of this 5 acres. So there are wild trees out here. We are not cultivating this land. Little hike in the middle of the farm. So I'll tell you my plan about this land. You can see the village from here, the lush green sugarcane fields and the view of the village. So in the near future, my plan is to build a farmhouse here, a beautiful cozy farm stay where I can invite you guys to stay and enjoy the scenery, the silence and the peace with your own company out here at the Multan Collective.